Hello, favorite pre-approved buyers. Hello, favorite realtors that watch my weekly market update. It is September 8th. We are past the Labor Day weekend. We usually see a big push towards the end of the year. Just some data that hopefully will be supporting that. First of all, a line I've been using is marry the home, date the interest rate, divorce the rent. So if you're renting, it is forecasted that rents will go up by another 16%. So they went up 15% this year across the country. CoreLogic is forecasting another 15% in rental increases. They are also forecasting the real estate market to go up 4%. So everything financially needs to look off your rate of return. So check this out. If we get 4% year over year, July 2021 to July 2022, we received 16% appreciation in our country, right? A monster number. That's an amazing return, especially when the stock market's down anywhere from 15 to 25%, depending on your portfolio. So that's 3 years in a row of fairly large gains. Now it's forecasted another 4% gain. So if you bought a $400,000 home and we receive 4% appreciation, that's a $16,000 return. And if you put 10% down, that's a 40% return on your investment. So by far and away, I still believe real estate is the best investment. I just bought a beach house to live in as a second home in Airbnb. Listen, I believe in buying real estate right now. I'm doing it myself. I've owned almost 20 properties over my life. I think it's still an amazing time to buy, and I'm putting my money where my mouth is. As far as the Fed goes, it used to be a big secret on what they were going to do. Unfortunately, the Fed members, there's definitely a mole within them. They always report to Wall Street Journal. They've been very accurate. So it's obviously they have a source in the Federal Reserve. We have a Fed meeting coming up on September 21st. They're going to raise the prime rate another 0.75%. I believe the November 2nd Fed meeting, they'll also raise again, probably 1/4 to 0.5%. And then I think they're going to take a look at where we're at. Now, I believe they're doing the right things. If you've been watching these videos for a year, you'll know I've been beating this drum since last November. They're too far behind the 8 ball, but now they are doing the appropriate measures. So we have to have this short-term pain to have long-term gain. And I'm here to tell you there's brighter times ahead. Fannie Mae is forecasting interest rates to be around 4.5% next year. That's about 1.5% less than they are right now. So once again, divorce the rent, date the interest rate, marry the home. That's the reoccurring theme here. So 3 things to know. If CoreLogic is right, you buy a $400,000 home, you put 10% down, that's a 40% return on your investment. Nowhere does it, no other investment beats that. That's the first thing. The second thing is the Fed is going to be raising, I think, twice over the next month. They're going to do 75 basis points. So if you're borrowing from other sources, credit cards, people obsess about mortgage rates and then don't look at their credit cards, don't look at their line of credits. All lines of credits are going to now be probably around 6 to 6.5%, depending on the deal you got. And when the Fed increases again in November, those rates are going to be pushing 7%, right? Mortgage rates are hovering between 6 and 6.5, depending on down payment, credit score, property type. So know that these rates are still historically within line. They'll be coming back. It's still a great time to buy a home. We're seeing sellers negotiate. I'm seeing buyers that didn't stand a chance with a lower down payment in 2020 and 2021, able to get great homes now. So real estate is an excellent investment. We're here to support that. If we can run any numbers for you, 312-731-4939, or email us chad@thelubengroup.com. That's the email that you got this video from. Make it a great day and keep on that home search.